Installing the PEG checklist from Jazzit. This video provides an overview of installing the PEG checklist provided by Jazzit. The three steps involved are downloading the installation file, installing the files, and connecting the master file to the resource center. You are notified by email when your order has been completed. The email contains a link to our support center where you can download and install the files ordered. On the support center, you are required to log in using the username and password previously provided to your firm. Once logged in, proceed to the Downloads page using the Downloads link at the top. On the Downloads page, scroll down till the links for the programs and checklists are visible. The links available will depend on which checklists you have subscribed to. For example, if you subscribe to the PEG compilation review checklists only, you will not have access to the PEG audit checklists. In this video, we will be installing the PEG compilation review checklists, so click on the blue full product link for the PEG NTR review files. Depending on your browser settings, you may be able to view the file being downloaded. If not, it will be downloaded directly to your assigned downloads folder. In this case, we can see the installation file PEG review pnc.exe being downloaded in the lower left corner. To run the installation file, you may have to locate it in the designated downloads folder and double-click it. Your browser could possibly be set up in such a way that you are prompted to either save or run the file being downloaded. If that is the case for you, you can select Run. In our case, we can simply click the file displayed in the lower left corner to run it. We are then prompted to confirm that we wish to run the file. Click Run. Next is the Welcome screen. Click Next. You are then provided the opportunity to accept the license agreement. Check off the option I accept the agreement and click Next. You can then specify where you wish to install the files. The default location is to the C drive of the local workstation, which is a typical location for a single user installation. If you are installing a multi-user license or in a server environment, use the Browse button to locate and select the appropriate location on the server and click Next. You are then prompted to confirm the selected location and click Install. The installation progress is indicated. When completed, this prompt provides you the opportunity to open the PDF document containing the latest release notes for this particular version of the checklists. Leaving the checkbox checked off, the document will open. Unchecking it will proceed without opening it. Make your choice and click Finish. This is the format of a typical latest release notes document. The files are then available in the installation folder specified. Here we have the PEG Review Caleb, the Resource Center, and the PEG Review Master files. All that remains to complete the installation is to ensure that the master file is connected to the Resource Center. If you install the files to the default location indicated during the installation, the path was C program files caseware data, you will not have to reconnect at all. If you installed to any other location, open the PEG master file, either the PEG Audit Master or the PEG Review Master with caseware. The document maintaining the connection between the individual checklists and their resource center is the JZPC key, the first document on the document manager. If you are reconnecting the PEG audit checklists, the control document is the JZPC key A document. Open this control document. Connection to the resource center is indicated here. As you can see from the status indicator and the wording displayed on this button, the document is not connected to the resource center. To connect this, we need to connect to the PEG Review Caleb folder. To do that, we simply double-click the cell containing the connection string. This opens a Select Folder dialog box, allowing you to locate the required folder. Select the PEG Review Caleb folder and click Select Folder. The button now prompts you to reload from Resource Center, indicating that you are connected, and the status indicator is a green checkmark because the document and Resource Center dates agree. You have now successfully installed the PEG compilation review checklists. For assistance copying the checklists into your client files, please view the video Adding Checklists to a Client File. A quick recap of what we just learned. We reviewed the process of installing the PEG checklists provided by Jazzit. This process involved the following 3 steps: downloading the installation file, installing the files, and then connecting the master file to the resource center. Caseware should be easy. To find out how, visit us at www.jazzit.com.